Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make marine cornice salad for winter. It's a very easy recipe. So first you put all the herbs in the water. They need to boil about 5 minutes or so, and when they get softened I will take them out, and I also made ready here a garlic. It's about 5 or 6, and we need vinegar, and that's all. Also olive oil. Now they are ready, and I will show you how to get rid of these tiny bits. Now it's time to take them out, and we let them be till they get cold enough to touch them. And they are very soft, and you can easily peel the green bits. So let's wait 5 minutes now. So I started to clean them up, get rid of the spine. They have really hard spines inside of them, and as you can see, you can't eat it. So I'm cleaning them. After I clean all of them here, I will get back to you, and I will tell you what you need to do next. After you put everything, just mix it. Now it's ready. Maybe I put more inside. You can preserve it in the fridge, and it's ready to eat anytime. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like my videos, just follow me, and I will share more interesting recipes with you. Bye bye, have a nice day.